In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DaVinci Resolve GPU configuration warning. Now, this is a really common issue, and the easiest way to fix it is by updating your graphics drivers. Now, if you have no idea how to do it, do not be worried. The first thing we need to do, you need to determine the brand of your graphics card. And if you have no idea what the brand of your graphics card is, so please go ahead and go to the search bar. Then open up Windows settings right over here. Then go ahead and select on system. All right, then it is going to take you to a screen that looks like this. So all you want to do is you want to go to the left menu, select on about, and then where it says graphics card, it is going to tell you the brand. So my graphics card brand is NVIDIA. So that means I need to use the NVIDIA software in order to update my graphics card. But if you have a different brand or something like that, then you need to download software that does work for that specific brand itself. So because I have NVIDIA, for example, that means I need to download the NVIDIA app in order to update my drivers. So for me, I just need to look up NVIDIA app download. And again, you can do the same thing if you have a different brand of GPU. But obviously, instead of NVIDIA, you would write the company that your graphics card is made out of. Then go ahead and press on enter. Then go ahead and download the respective app or software that you will need. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you need to download the NVIDIA app right over here. And this is going to allow you to update your drivers. So it is completely free to download. And then all you need to do is you need to open up the NVIDIA app right over here. Then you need to go to the left menu and select on drivers. Now, every single type of software, every single company has different software, but the main principle is going to still apply. It is going to allow you to update your drivers. So even though it might not look exactly like the NVIDIA software, if you're using another brand, it should look relatively similar. So here we are in drivers, and then if there is a new driver that you haven't updated to yet, then it is going to show an option that says download. You can also go ahead and press on this refresh button in order to actually check to see if there is new drivers ready to go. So it may take a little while to update your drivers depending on your internet speed and stuff like that. But anyways, after you update your drivers, go ahead and try opening up DaVinci Resolve one more time, and that should actually fix the issue. And this is actually a problem that I personally had when first using DaVinci Resolve. But after I was able to update my graphics drivers, then I was able to get the job done. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.